Who likes pizza? I do, and I know you do. Everybody does. Pizza is awesome. With that said, so isn't this Cuisinart pizza oven. We're going to unbox it and make some pizza. I've been thinking about a pizza oven for a while now, but I haven't pulled the trigger. Reason, pricing. Those Unis and all those other pizza ovens, all these different options, just seemed a little pricey and a little bit difficult to figure out. Walking through Target one day, I saw this Cuisinart oven. I said, this thing will be awesome. And guess what? We got our hands on one. We're going to throw this thing together real quick, and then we're going to make our first pizza. It's going to be cool. So let's check it out. Assembling this pizza oven was extremely simple. 4 legs on the bottom, handle on the door, and just pop on the knob, and you're good to go. Hey, you watching our video, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, let us know how we're doing in the comments. Give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Of course, after putting this together, I watched 1,000 YouTube channels about making dough. It was very difficult to figure out. I do have a couple tips. Number one, get yourself a scale, because most of the dough videos, you have to weigh the water and you have to weigh the flour. There's something about the proportions, 63 to 70%. I'm not 100% sure now, but so for the first cook, I just went out, I bought some store-bought dough. I let it sit on the counter for an hour and a half so it became room temperature and rose a little bit, and we went at it. Cuisinart does a really great job with simplicity. Maybe not longevity, but simplicity, yes. This is a very simple, easy to use device that'll help you make pizza, and it's a pretty awesome pizza. I'm looking forward to really knocking out a lot of pizzas this summer, so stay tuned. I'm really excited that this is a gas grill. And the reason why, it's easy to clean. There's not a big mess. We're not dealing with pellets and wood chips and all these other things. So it's pretty simple, pretty awesome. Connect your tank, turn it on, heat it up, get your pizza in there, and then get to cooking. Let's take a look at that first pizza. Now, this came out pretty awesome. A couple things I wanted to call out here. Number one, look at the trees in the background. It's extremely windy. I couldn't get this thing over 500 degrees because of that. It's open, completely open underneath and on the sides. So the wind was really not allowing this to heat up to the 700 degrees we really should have it at. Number two, I felt like I wanted to do what I see folks doing on YouTube when they cook pizzas. They go in there, they play with the pizza, they spin it around so that you get an even cook all the way around. And what I noticed after the second pizza was, there's no need for any of that with this. It cooks evenly for the most part, all the way around. If you wanted to do some playing around, you could do it. There's no need. Look how evenly it cooks. This pizza really came out awesome. I've cooked a lot of pizzas in the oven, and they never came out this good. So, first and foremost, yes, it's worth it. Yes, it's a better pizza than you would cook in your oven. Number two, I used a full dough for each one of these. The dough balls that you buy in the supermarket. It was a bit too much. I probably should have cut it in half. I could have done 2 out of 1 ball. But it is what it is. I do like a thicker crust. I think it came out amazing. I absolutely loved it. I'm gonna experiment making my own dough as I move forward, but I'm really excited with the product. Cuisinart did a really great job making it simple and making it easy for us to get out there and make our own pizzas. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Get out there, get yourself a Cuisinart pizza oven, throw it up in the backyard, cook yourself a pizza, and have some fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know how we're doing in the comments.